Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily avoid highways on your way on Google Maps application. So at first we have to make our route. So for example, let me navigate us to the Warsaw in Poland directions, and for example from our home. It's a location that is just marked in Krakow. Here, as you can see, we have a lot of time to Warsaw, and it's leading us through highway. And now, to avoid highways, we have to tap these 3 lines here and mark avoid highways. Now let's go back, and now we are going not on highways, and the time is almost doubled. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.